I put more emphasis in examining this box. I examined it and I picked 2 largest marks. On different points. Yes. That is one from, like for example here, then another one here. Those are the 2 items that I picked. Okay. And then this other photograph shows where some of the stolen things like computers were stolen from. Mark P11.
From here or outside?
I've known him from here.
From here. That means you've never seen him save from only 14.
It's my first time to see him.
Did you make a statement at police?
Yes, I did.
If given it to you, can you confirm the same?
Yes.
Santi yakola statement musango nti yagikola kubaddimu asobola okumanya okutegeerako eyo gye yakola nti yekola.
Is that your statement?
It is.
Can you confirm it? To report that it is your statement?
I appended my signature and my name is here. 55802. By then I was a constable, but now because of the good work I've been elevated.
Thank you so much. Is it true that the offense was committed on 3rd February 2019?
I don't know whether it is true.
Okay, you are not sure when the offense was committed.
No?
Do you remember when the offense was committed? Answer my question.
I remember only the day you visited the scene,
You remember only the day you did the scene.
but I don't know the particular date the offense was committed.
Thank you. Am I therefore right to say that you as an investigating officer, you do not know when the offense was committed?
I'm not an investigating officer, I'm a scene of crime officer.
Okay. You as the scene of crime officer, you do not know when the offense was committed. Is that right?
The offense was committed in the night, so I don't know whether it was on 3rd or 2nd.
It's okay. Let's assume it was on the 3rd, according to your statement. Is that right?
On the 3rd is the day I visited the scene. I responded to the scene of crime. I was not so
He
specific.
has not completed his question. Wait, let me complete his question.
Okay, when did you visit the scene of crime?
On the 3rd,
On the 3rd.
February 2019.
When did you make your statement?
At police, I made my statement on 9th February 2019.
Am I right to say that that was after 5 days?
You're right?
After 5 days of visiting the scene of crime, is that right?
Yes.
remember the time the offense was committed?
I don't know the time.
You don't know the time. What time did you go to the scene of crime?
I went to the scene of crime at around 12:05. That's when I started. That's when
That's
I
at
reached the
midday.
scene of crime.
That's at
Midday.
midday.
Yes.
And when you reached at the scene of crime at midday, you were informed that the offense was committed in the night. Is that right? Sorry?
Yes.
But you weren't informed of the actual time in the night.
That one I don't know. I'm not certain.
You don't remember the people you found at the scene of crime at midday?
I don't remember that.
You don't remember them. But you remember that there were people around at the scene of crime.
Went there with only one person.
You went there with only one person,
Yes, the
and
complainant.
you didn't find anyone there at the scene of crime.
There was a security guard
There was a security guard.
from SG.
Was that security guard inside or out?
He was inside the perimeter wall,
Inside
in the
the perimeter
compound.
Are you the one who secured the scene of crime? You cordoned off.
Cordoning off the scene of crime. Since the scene of crime was found in an enclosure, there was no need of cordoning off.
There was no
Because the moment I arrived, I exhausted whatever I wanted that day, and there was no need of cordoning off after the work.
Meaning by midday, the scene of crime had not been secured by police.
That one I can't tell.
That one you can't tell. According to what you saw at the scene of crime, was that in that entire phase, were there some other residential platoons or staying in the same area, in the same? Oh, my apologies.
One more statement.